Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to update your contact information in Digit. Keeping your contact information up to date ensures that you receive important notifications and account updates from Digit. Let me show you how to get that done. So open the Digit app and visit, or you could just visit the web dashboard. So log into your account using the Digit mobile app, or go to the website and log into your account from there. Once you're in, go to the account settings. Tap the profile icon or the menu in the top corner and then select settings. Next, choose personal or contact information. Look for the section that displays your current phone number and email address. Then tap edit. So edit your phone number or email. Just tap the field that you wish to change and then you can enter your new contact information. Once that's done, verify the change. Digit will usually send a verification code via text or email to confirm the updates. So just enter the code when prompted. And once that's done, save your changes. So once verified, your contact details will be updated and used for future communications and security checks. Keeping your contact info current is essential to ensure secure access to your account and uninterrupted updates from Digit. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.